Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Although fruits are rich in different types of nutrients, however, some common fruits can actually harm your health if being eaten the wrong way. Now let us see what these fruits are. 1. Eating fruits without washing them properly. There are some fruits which are heavily sprayed with pesticides, such as apples, strawberries, grapes, pears, and peaches. If you eat these pesticide-loaded fruit without washing them properly, it can be harmful to your health. Some research shows that pesticide use may be associated with certain types of cancer. It is best to use a cold water soaked with baking soda to effectively help remove dirt, pesticides, and other unwanted materials from your fresh vegetables and fruits. 2. Fruits which are rotten. If only part of a fruit is moldy, most people tend to remove the moldy part and eat the remaining fruit which looks normal and unaffected. When a fruit is partially moldy, it may not be safe to eat the fruit, even if the other part of the fruit looks normal. Rotten fruit is usually caused by microbial invasion, in which the most frequent is mycotoxins. Mycotoxins are poisonous substances produced by certain molds found primarily on grapes, strawberries, pears, apples, and other produce. When a fruit starts to rot, the mycotoxin has spread to other parts of the fruit. So even if the other remaining part looks normal, it may still contain a lot of harmful substances, such as mycotoxin. Mycotoxins are toxic and carcinogenic, which means long-term exposure to mycotoxins may cause cancer. Consuming moldy food can also cause allergic reactions, as well as respiratory problems. So it is best to discard the whole fruit if some part of it is rotten and moldy. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.